Professor Virk. I'm communicating with Robert Dilderim to try to bring him on stage. So, how you feel?
I feel honored and humbled that you have invited me among the galaxy of scientists. Of course, my family was opposing me when you sent the invitation because I was infected with the corona, the Omicron variety in April. I recovered, but they feel that I am not putting mask during this conference, so they will not allow me to enter the home. Maybe I had to sleep outside.
Oh.
My wife is very strict because she says you always travel with mask. I was putting mask on during flight. But here, everybody, has removed the mask. So I will pray to God that I will not get corona again.
Oh, no. When you get the word, there is no more corona.
Yeah. And one very interesting letter which Florian, he wrote to, because he wanted somebody should sponsor this Virk symposium. So he wrote to the Chief Minister of Punjab and Education Minister that Professor Virk is the first Sikh, first Punjabi, and first Indian from India who will be honored for his lifetime achievement in interdisciplinary research. But they are too busy in politics, nobody responded. But I am very happy when Abdul Salam, the Nobel laureate from my state, he posed this question that Raman got Nobel Prize, Hindu, a Muslim, Abdul Salam himself got no. He says there is no Nobel Prize among the Sikh community. I told him in 1977 that I will produce students who will get Nobel Prize. So here in this audience, I have Gurtej Sandhu, the masters in physics from the first batch, which we started in Amritsar, and he has set a new record in technology with 1,400 plus patents and working as vice president. And hopefully, next generation, we will produce a Nobel Prize winner also in Sikh community.
Sure. You are the first Sikh to have the award recognized outside India, and we are proud of that. So congratulations.
Thank you.
That's the award. So this is the life of an Indian scientist. This is Indian from India. It's not living outside. In Paris, with family. This is a beautiful picture, beautiful colors. In Canada. In Vancouver, in India.